A paradox is something which is counterintuitive. Counterintuitive means I'm expecting something, but the output is something else. It is completely contrary to what I was assuming. How can we make you understand paradox?
Sir, what a paradox means is, like, if I'm stating something and it is very difficult for the mind to comprehend, although what I'm saying is correct.
So does it mean that the statement we are not able to comprehend? What is the statement, or
we are not able to comprehend not just the statement, the thought behind it, the process behind it. For example, let's take an example.
On the next screen, we have an example.
Let's say, sir, that I'm stating a fact that I'm lying.
What?
I'm stating that I am lying.
Wait a minute. Did you say that I'm lying?
Yes, sir, I'm lying.
Okay. I'm lying. आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay, let's I will take some time. So if you're saying you're lying, if you're saying I'm lying, in my head I'm assuming that the statement is correct. Okay. So I'm assuming that statement is correct. So what was the statement? I'm lying. So statement is correct, that means he is lying, that is correct. Wait a minute.
You got confused, right?
You were saying you're lying.
I'm lying. मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ.
And I'm saying your statement is correct. That means you are lying.
That means I'm lying.
That means statement is not correct. Guys, what is happening? Okay, wait a minute. Let's discuss the second scenario. In case your statement is not correct. Okay, I'm saying he is actually lying. So his statement is wrong. You're lying. And the statement is wrong. So you're not lying.
So I'm not lying. But I'm saying that I'm lying.
My head is going to, it's spinning now, man. What is happening? What is this?
So this is what we call paradox.
Okay.
When you state something and the reason behind it is correct, the reasoning is correct, but still your mind is unable to comprehend, it is paradox. So this is the liar paradox. This is a very famous thing, the liar's paradox. And in mathematical terms, paradox, sir, previous slide. In mathematical terms, the paradox is a mathematical conclusion. Basically, we'll reach out to a conclusion, and it is unexpected. It will not be accepted by everyone, but still the reasoning will be valid. You will see what I'm trying to say.
I'm still processing this. I'm lying. Okay.
The students still. The student might as well.
Okay.
Thanks.
So by the time I think the definition is clear. Once again, the mathematical thing is a bit clear, that where we are expecting a certain outcome, this should happen. ऐसा होना चाहिए. है ना? बाहर गया बारिश होनी चाहिए. मैं बाहर गया, it is so hot outside, there is no chance that it will rain. It is a paradoxical feeling, counterintuitive. यार मैं तो weather forecast देख रहा था कि यार बारिश होनी चाहिए, बारिश नहीं हो रही. So this is the sense of paradox. All right. Let's go to the next screen. And this was a famous liar paradox. You can explore on the internet also in detail. So now we are good to go. Now, we were actually preparing for this birthday paradox thing. Now we have understood the part of probability, the part of paradox. So before we state what the actual statement of birthday paradox is, let's try to solve a problem. And the problem is actually